Why invest in professional packing for your international move? When moving internationally, packing isn't just putting things in boxes. It's an art and a science that can affect your entire moving experience. Today, we're diving into the world of professional packing services and why it might just be worth the extra penny, especially when moving to popular destinations like the UK. Professional packers like SDC International Shipping don't just pack, they protect. Each item, from your glassware to furniture, is securely wrapped to meet international shipping standards. Packing yourself might seem like a cost saver, but consider this. Improper packing can lead to damages, and those packed by owner boxes won't be covered by full insurance. Professionals ensure everything is packed compactly and correctly, making transportation safer and potentially more cost-effective since you're not shipping air in poorly packed containers. So, before you decide to pack yourself for your big move, think about the peace of mind that comes with professional packing. It might just be the best part of your moving budget. For more information, contact us today at sdcinternationalshipping.com.